plane out there.
What's going on, guys? Cozy F30 here. So pretty much this is gonna be like a buyer's guide, or everything that I wish I had that I regret I didn't get on the car. So I guess the things I hate about my car and what you should buy if you get an F30 BMW. The first and main thing that I 110% regret not getting on my car is a backup camera. You would think a 2016 BMW would just come with one. I mean, it's a newer BMW, it's LCI. I mean, it's not like the Premium or the Sportline or M Sport or anything like that. But still, you would think it would come with a backup camera. It's a 2016 BMW. I got leather seats and all that crap. I got dimming mirrors, but I don't have a backup camera. The second thing is the sunroof. I wish I had a freaking sunroof. I've never had a sunroof before. My little brother's Integra has a sunroof. My mom has the exact same car as me and it has a sunroof, and it's honestly cool. I mean, even if I don't use it, I still like having it. It's just like one of those things you wish you had. It's a nice car if it has like the sunroof, you know what I mean? I wish I had a sunroof. The third thing is my interior. I have the black seats with like a white trim. You can kind of see it right here. It's just like a little white trim. I wish I had red seats and the red interior, like big time. The red interior to me makes the car seem more classy. It seems like more sporty as well. It's just a nicer look in my opinion. I love the way red seats look. No matter what color the car is, red seats just always look good. The fourth thing would be my sound system. I have like the higher up hi-fi audio, and it's not bad. It sounds really good, honestly. I really do like my speakers. Out of every car I've had, even with the upgraded speakers in my Lancer I used to have, these speakers are better by a long shot. They sound super good. You honestly don't even need subs. Even though I got subs, you don't need them. But I wish I got the Harman Kardon. Those speakers just sound so good. My buddy has a M240i with the Harman Kardon, and it took my breath away. It was like so good. It was just so crisp. It was picking up sounds that you would never even expect speakers to pick up. Not even headphones like Bose or Beats would pick up. Like, it's so weird. It sounded so good. I'd say pretty much get an M Sport. If you have the money to buy a BMW and you have the money to get the M Sport, just get the M Sport. The body kit is so much nicer. You get a little bit better of performance handling compared to the regular cars. Also, the wheels, depending on the model, are honestly nicer in my opinion. Even though one of the styles is almost the exact same as mine, the M Sport version still looks way cleaner. It's just, I don't know, and all the wheels are bigger too, so bigger wheels is always better. The last thing that absolutely drives me nuts is that my headlights are halogen, and it's an LCI. I have LCI LED taillights, I have LCI LED freaking fog lights. Everything about my car is the exact same as any other LCI F30, except for my freaking dash right here, this little screen. I don't have like the big, nice, like updated screen. Mine's still the older, updated version. And my headlights, they're yellow, and I don't have the freaking BMW rings, and I hate it. It sucks so much. And since I'm an LCI, I can't get the pre-LCI depots. They don't work with my car. I have to wait till an LCI version comes out and then put it in my LCI car that doesn't have LCI LEDs. It is so annoying. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. So thank you for watching. I seriously appreciate it. Peace out.